Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. Are you looking for a quick and delicious recipes? This video will feature an aromatic and delicious egg masala curry which will be perfect for you. In a hot pan, take 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, half a tablespoon of fennel or somp seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half an inch of cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamoms, 1/4 inch of maize or javitri, a small piece of nutmeg like this. Give them a good mix. Now add 6 red chilies and 4 Kashmiri chilies which are optional. Dry roast them on a low to medium flame until they are aromatic. Do not over roast them, otherwise the gravy will get bitter. Now cool the spice mix and transfer to a mixer grinder jar and blend it into a fine powder like so. Next, take 4 tablespoons of oil in a hot pan. Add half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Then take a boiled egg and slit it like so. And add it to the oil. Repeat the process with all the eggs and saute them on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. You can use 6 to 10 boiled eggs for this recipe. Now remove the fried eggs and transfer them to a plate. To the same oil, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves and 3 onions that are finely chopped, and saute them on a medium to high flame until the onion turns golden. Also add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to hasten the cooking process and continue sauteing the onions. The onions are nice and done. Now add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 tablespoons of water, as we do not want the ginger garlic paste to burn at the bottom. Continue to saute them on a low to medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes or until the raw flavor fades. Now add the puree of 3 tomatoes and give a gentle mix. At this stage, add salt as required and give it a good mix. Continue to saute until the oil separates from the onion and tomato mixture. Do try this recipe in your kitchen and share your experiences in the comment section below. Now add the ground spice mix and continue to mix on a low flame. You know, every home may have a different recipe for this dish, and so do I. Now add the required water little at a time and mix it gently. I've used 2 cups of water for this dish. You know, this masala egg curry is so delicious and aromatic because of the whole spices that I've used. Also check for salt at this stage and add if required. Now cover with the lid and cook on a medium flame for 10 minutes. Do follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Then add the fried eggs gently to the gravy and give it a gentle mix. Again cover with the lid and simmer on a medium flame for 10 minutes. Our masala egg curry is ready. Finally, sprinkle a generous amount of chopped coriander leaves to finish off the dish. Please hit the thumbs up button if you liked this video. Now serve this masala egg curry hot with steamed rice or any roti varieties or dosa or idli. This egg curry has nice tangy taste of tomatoes, coupled with flavors of spices used. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, this is Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.